Good morning and happy Wednesday. This is January from Wildflower Crossing. I am here to show you this amazing 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that we have available. This is the last of the 4-bedrooms, 2-bathroom homes that we have that will look like this. So if you are interested in a new home, feel free to come out and check them out. As seen here, you can apply on our website for the free application to see if you qualify. All of our homes come with black appliances in the kitchen as well as stainless steel sinks. You get a double sink in there. And these are just a quick glimpse at some of the rooms. If you are interested and would like to move this month, we do only have one more of these available. They are going fast. We also have an amazing promotion going on. If you, refer someone to us, you could get the $1,000 referral. And then we also have the promotion that is going on, which is where you would be able to get that 1 month free. So if you close this month, you would not have to pay anything until October, which who wouldn't want to get a free month? Back to school is happening and everybody could save in any areas that would better suit them. So if you would like to come out here, that would be perfect. We are located at 1642 Alyssum Court, and I would love to show you this amazing home. You guys have a good day and come check us out.